Saw a bit of those lake effect showers here in Cadillac, John. At times, the visibility outside was non-existent. You couldn't see outside.
Yeah, that's the beauty of lake effect snow. You can go from 10 miles to less than a mile and just very, very quickly and then right back to it. So definitely can be hazardous if you're traveling out on the roads, and we still are going to talk about some lake effect snow chances even as we're getting into the day on Thursday. But notice right there, as we're getting later into the evening, closer to midnight tonight, where that placement continues to look a little bit better for some of these lake effect snow showers, because we're going to be adding back a little bit more of that northerly component to the wind. So still from the Leelanau Peninsula, going areas from Frankfort, Manistee, Ludington, I think you're going to have a little bit of a better chance too. Also early on in the morning near Presque Isle, Alpena County, near Rogers City, Alpena, maybe even getting in on a few bands too if they happen to make it on shore. Again, that wind direction is very, very key, and where we do see some of those lake effect snow showers. So still by Thursday afternoon, you still do have that chance right near the immediate lake shore for some more snow showers. As you're going farther inland, though, it looks like we are still going to be mostly dry. So that's what we'll talk about as far as lake effect snow getting into the day on Thursday. By the time we cross midnight into the day on Friday, the wind direction starts to take a little bit more of a southerly jog. So that's not going to be as favorable for lake effect snow. Hence, we're looking at some overall drier conditions as we're getting into the day on Friday. Still could have some cloud cover in the mix, but it does look like we are going to be trending drier as we're getting into the day on Friday, and even still by the time we're getting at least into the beginning of the upcoming weekend. So you're talking about where you do see some of that blue there on the map, the best chance at least for another inch plus of snow, and even still right near the immediate lake shore, and then again just going downwind of Lake Huron as well, near Presque Isle, Alpena counties, and even still to the north areas near Munising. Look to see that better chance for any more snow showers from now until we're getting into the day tomorrow. Wind still a little bit breezy, especially near the lake shore. It's more north-northwest with the direction. Still could be talking about some of those numbers peaking 20, even at their highest, near 25 miles per hour as we're getting into the day tomorrow. Live weather stations out there right now. Cadillac, you're talking about 16 degrees, so it is still fairly chilly for this hour. West-northwest winds not too strong at about 3. And then even still, Manistee, just a degree warmer, your current number at 17 with a breeze right there at about 4 miles per hour. Temperatures as we get past midnight tonight, still going to be cold for the overnight. Again, I think most of us at least should be staying in the positives. There's a look at your numbers, a lot of single-digit values as we take you throughout eastern upper and then again into the tip of the mid past midnight tonight. Similar conditions with those single-digit values as we're going into western lower. Still with the Lake Michigan influence, those numbers closer to the immediate lake shore, still just a few degrees warmer, still with also that better chance south of the Leelanau Peninsula for a little bit more lake effect snow getting into tonight. Presque Isle going towards Alpena County. We'll have to watch a few bands just offshore, maybe could be moving in late tonight, tomorrow morning. Temperatures here for the overnight period back into the single digits near 10 degrees. And there you go, similar numbers as we take you into central lower for the overnight period tonight. Still with those better chances for a little bit more lake effect snow as you are going closer to the immediate lake shore. Not much wind, but a few spots could be trending just below zero with your wind chills as we get you out the door for tomorrow morning. And even still numbers, there you go, another similar day as we go into Thursday with still some teens, if not even a few 20s. But check out the trends in the numbers as we're going later into the week by the weekend. It does look like we could be getting several locations back near, if not just above freezing. It also does bring in the chance for a little bit of a rain-snow mix with those slightly warmer temperatures, Katie, Monday into next Tuesday.